Turck's Weldnut sensor offers an affordable and process-safe solution for trouble-free and continuous production. From the start, the Weldnut sensor was designed for harsh environments. Therefore, it can be used in fast-paced production lines of the automotive industry. The sensor easily integrates and it replaces the need for locating bolts for weld nuts. It adapts to changing applications quickly thanks to an easy-teach procedure. The LEDs reliably display the current switching status. Turck's Weldnut sensor detects the weld nuts as well as spacers or sleeves. No time-consuming programming or other electronics are needed for a trouble-free production process.